Visual Studio Code is a free source code editor developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac and Linux. It has many features which are really helpful for a programmer. But first of all, let's see how to install it. To download and install Visual Studio Code, first of all go on Google and search Visual Studio Code. Then click on the first search page result. And here you can see a download for Windows button. Click on it to download. When the setup is downloaded completely, click on it to install the program. Then click on I accept the agreement, next. And you can also set the file location. After setting the file location, you can click on next. Then again click on next. And here you can see an option called create a desktop icon. If you want, then you can click on it. And after that, click on next, install. And here you can see it is installing now. Now our Visual Studio Code is fully installed. Simply click on finish. Now let's talk about why you should use this Visual Studio Code as a programmer. See, I'm not saying this is the best code editor, but I must say this is one of the useful code editor for many programmers. Why? Because of the different feature it has, like number 1, intelligence. While writing code on Visual Studio Code, it will try to predict the syntax which will help you to code fast and save your time. For example, here you can see when I type document.get, it automatically detects it and shows different syntax I can select to save my coding time. Number 2, extensions. Extension is one of the best features of this Visual Studio Code. You can literally install different extensions to make your coding smooth. Like for example, you can install live server extension to see your HTML, CSS, JavaScript live output on the browser while editing and writing the code. Prettier extension to format the code you have written in a good looking way, etc, and other extension. You can literally install any extension you need to make your coding smooth and modify your code editor, which is also our third feature, customization. And I don't think I need to explain this. So the fourth point is many programming language support. Visual Studio Code support different programming languages. You can code in JavaScript, PHP, Python, Java, C and other programming languages as well. So yeah, these were some features of Visual Studio Codes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and comment. I am Ironman 3000 so that I can know who have watched this video till the end. And if you want to build some HTML, CSS and JavaScript beginners project, then click on this playlist.